Hi there. Today we are going to spend 1 minute and 30 seconds to better understand how corporation tax and VAT rules apply in France. Corporation tax rates and bands. First of all, you need to distinguish the small businesses whose consolidated turnover group-wide is lower than 7.6 million euros. From those larger or big businesses whose consolidated turnover is above the threshold. If your corporation is a big business or a large business, hence the first tax band up to 500,000 euros that will apply in 2018 is 28%. Above the threshold, 33%. In 2019, the 33% tax band will decrease to 31%. In 2020, only one tax band will apply, 28%. In 2021, it will decrease to 26.5%. And it will wane in 2022 to 25%. That means a sharp decrease in tax rates over the 4 years to come. Now, if your corporation is a small business, the same rule as before will apply, except that the first tax band is 50% up to 38,000 euros. Now, VAT and its rates. In France, we have 4 rates. First of which is the 20% rate, the normal rate, that applies to all goods and services if no exception. There are 3 exceptions. First of which is the medium rate, 10%, that applies to restaurant, hotel, public transportation services. Then comes the 5.5% rate, the reduced rate, that applies to food and related services. Finally, we have the 2.1% rate, the special rate, that applies to newspapers, magazines and drugs. Want to know more about VAT rates and corporation tax rates? Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Looking forward to reading soon.